Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and waiting about 60 to 90 seconds so internal capacitors discharge. This reduces shock risk. Once done, unplug the charger gently while holding the connector, not the cable, because pulling stresses the jack. Make sure to wear an anti-static strap or touch grounded metal to avoid static damage. Lay out your replacement cable and any small tools. Keep screws and tiny parts separated so reassembly is straightforward, and you don't lose time locating components. You open the case and remove the backplate following model-specific screw patterns, because screw length matters when reassembling. Once inside, disconnect the battery connector first to fully isolate power, then trace the charger cable to its connection and remove any retaining screws or clips. Clean the port gently with compressed air if you see debris. If pins are bent, stop and assess. Take pictures as you go. This makes reversing the steps faster and avoids misplacing parts. You position the new cable along the same path and fasten all clips and screws to their original spots, so strain relief works properly. Then reconnect the battery as the final internal step. Close the case and power on. Verify charging via LED or system information to confirm functionality. If charging fails, make sure the connector seats fully, perform an SMC reset, and test with another known good adapter. That troubleshooting tip usually narrows down whether the cable, adapter, or port is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.